Today we're gonna go over conventional deadlift versus sumo deadlift so we can ensure we're doing proper form, because I know this is something that I had problems with. But before we jump into that, if you're enjoying this stuff, make sure to subscribe and like this video so I know to keep pushing this stuff out. All right, so let's get to it. We're gonna start first with the conventional deadlift. Conventional deadlift is going to hit more of that backside. We're gonna hit those hammies and those glutes. So with the conventional deadlift, you'll see a lot of people do this with their feet just square under their shoulders. The toes are pointing forward, okay? And we're going to line up our hands evenly right outside of our legs. We're gonna drop back into the heels, straighten our back out, and we're going to pull up and drop it down. And I'm driving onto my heels, okay? So we're gonna flip it over to the side so you can see. My back is straight, neck is straight. I'm driving through my heels up and dropping it down, okay? So I want you to pay attention of that feet placement there, that in that conventional deadlift. Now for sumo deadlift, what we're going to do is a wide stance. This wide stance is still going to hit the glutes and hammies, but we're also going to hit these adductors or the groin area and through here. With this stance, you see how it's widened. I am very in a V-shaped stance. My toes are not forward, they are pointed outwards, okay? So that's the difference. Here's conventional stance, sumo stance. So everything else is literally going to be the same, the pole and everything. But with my hands, they're going more on the inside. I obviously can't have my hands out here. I want them on the inside. It's going to be a little bit more of a narrow grip, pulling the bar close to my shins, everything straight and upright, pull, come up, bar is dropping down. All right, let's do a side view. It's literally gonna look just the same, just my feet placement is different. All right, everything straight, pulling up through the heels, driving through the heels, up, and dropping the weight back down, feeling it in my glutes, adductors, and hamstrings. It's literally the stance, conventional, sumo, as well as a slight change up in the hand positioning. Let me know in the comments if this helped you, if you like comparing each different lift so you know how to perform them properly in the gym, and let me know if you need anything.